Hello. In this video, we will see how we can download IntelliJ IDEA and how to install the plugins which are required for Selenium. And we will create one Selenium Maven project in the IntelliJ IDEA. So basically, we will do the simple Selenium setup also. Okay. So we will start with installation. So if you see here, this IntelliJ IDEA is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and there are two things versions are there, like ultimate one and one is the community one. Okay, so this ultimate is like you can download 30 days trial, and after that you need to purchase a license. And if you go with the community edition, it is freely available and built on open source. So we will go with the community edition, so that is sufficient for us. So if you want to see what is the difference between ultimate and community edition, if you see the below table, so in community edition, we have this Java, Kotlin, Groovy, Scala, Maven, and all these things are available. Few things are not there, so we don't need these things as of now, these features. So community edition is enough for us. Okay, so I will click on download, and the IntelliJ IDEA is started downloading. Okay, so I have already downloaded this setup, so I will just cancel it and I will show the installation. So once you download, you will get the zip file. You need to right click and extract those files from the software. So once it is extracted, just double click. So make sure you have admin access and the installation will start. So on the screen, click on next. So here this is the default location where this IntelliJ IDEA will get installed. I'll keep this same. Click on next. So here, do you want to create the desktop shortcut? Yes. So do you want to set the path environment variable? Yes. And so here, if you want to enable this, you can enable. So let's say if you want, if you have some project in some folder and you want to open this as a project, so you can import the project in IntelliJ. So I will keep this also, and Java. Groovy also, maybe sometime if we need the Groovy, so it will be good. So that's it. Click on next. So here also I will click on install, so you will see the installation progress here. Okay, it is very simple, so we will wait for some time. I will skip the video here, uh, and I will go to the, so it will, after some time this installation will get completed. So after some time you will get this option. So your installation is done. So do you want to reboot the system? So make sure you save everything. If you have writing some files, save those files and reboot. Otherwise, select second option. I want to uh, manually reboot later. So click on finish. So installation is done. Now I will go to search and type IntelliJ Community Edition, or this shortcut will be created on desktop, so you can open it from the desktop as well. Okay, so after that, first time when you open, you will get this pop-up. Do you want to import any settings? I do not want to import. Click OK. So make sure before creating the Selenium project, you have JDK installed in your system. So if you don't have the Java software installed, so check out my another video. So I'm giving the link in description. Okay, so this is how the IntelliJ IDEA will look like. So we will go to the plugin section. So we will install few things here which are required for Selenium. The one is Maven. So we need Maven also. So we will install this Maven helper. Click on accept. So here you will find the list of plugins are there. So based on your requirement, you can install. So I will be creating the Maven projects also. So that's why I created install this plugin. Let's say if anything is there related to formatter, so which will help you to format the Java code. Code formatter. Okay, let's see if anything related to Java is present. Okay, so Java doc is there. So in case if you need, so this will be also helpful. So if you want to install some plugins later, that is also yeah, possible. You can install the plugin as per your requirement, and you can uninstall as well. Let's say I will install this Cucumber for Java as well. So this will help us to create a Cucumber plugin, sorry, Cucumber project. Then Gherkin, which is also related to automation. Okay, this is Cucumber. So if you are learning so BDD Cucumber with Selenium, so in that case this plugin will help you to write the feature file. And once everything is done, let's restart this IDE. So installation is done and we have installed the plugins as well. Now I will show you how to create the Maven project, and we will add the Selenium dependencies in that everything. So once it open, you will go to the projects, click on new project. On the top right we have this option. So once you click on the new project, you will get this window, new project. So you can see we have installed the Maven plugin, so that's why we are getting this option, Maven. And here you can see I have JDK 17 here, so I will keep this only. So here if you want to create from the archetype, so this we need to select for the Maven project. Okay, so I will select some data here, com dot automation artifact ID. I will give Selenium Maven project and give the version 1. Click OK. Okay, it's taking some time. We can click next also. Type here Selenium Maven project. So here it is getting created here. If you want to change the location of the project, you can change it by clicking this browse option. Click on finish. So that's how we created our first Maven project. Okay, so you will get these tips for the day, some information. So if you want, you can just keep it, read this, or you can close it out. Next thing we have to do is so we here you can see the Selenium project is created and it's still indexing the file. So make sure this get completed, which is showing on top right. So it is still loading the files. So if you see here, like as we created the Maven project, so Maven project will come with the pom.xml file, and this will have some basic structure. And on the top right also you have some Maven option available. So in that we have different life cycles is there, Maven clean, Maven install. So you can just click on it and the Maven clean command will run. Okay, so now how we can configure the Selenium here. So in this POM file, we need to add the dependency for Selenium. So what is the dependency? It is one XML tag. So once we add this tag, it will download the Selenium WebDriver jar files. You don't need to download it separately. You just need to add that tag. Okay. So where you will find this dependency for Selenium, you will find it on the Maven repository website. So if I go to the browser, type mvn repo. So if you type mvn repo, you will get the first link. You can see mvnrepository.com. So click on it. So inside this, you will get search option. So select Selenium, and the first option you got is Selenium for Java. Click on it. After that, you will see the list of all the versions of Selenium Java. So latest version is 4.3.0. So I will install some 3. Version, last 3.141 version. So click on this version, and here you will see the Maven, Gradle. So these are the build tools. So for Maven, this is the dependency for Selenium. You need to copy this dependency tag, put your IntelliJ, and we have to add here. But make sure there is a one tag called dependencies. Inside that, we need to keep our multiple dependencies. Okay, so you will get auto suggestion here, but our project is still loading, so that's why we are not getting here auto suggestions. Okay, so I'll just paste it. To avoid spelling mistake, I will just copy this tag name and put here, but make sure it is dependencies, and it should end with dependencies. And then slash dependencies, and that's how you have added the Selenium dependency in your project. So it will also take some time to download this file, and it will add inside this external library section. Okay, so if it don't get downloaded, if it is showing in red color, simply you need to go to this Maven and click on this reload all Maven project. So what it will do, it will just reload all the dependencies. Let's say tomorrow if you want to change the Selenium version, you will change it here, and automatically it will get updated in your project. So next thing, let's say you need TestNG for your project, so you will go to this Maven repository, type here TestNG, hit enter, and you should be able to find the TestNG. Click on it, select the version which you want. I will install this 6 version. Copy this dependency and paste here. Now again, you don't need to create this dependencies tag. Okay, so this is dependencies, closing here, opening here, and inside that we are putting the our dependencies. Okay, so after that, once this is done, okay, so once this is done, just control save. If you want to reload it, okay, it's still running, so we will wait for some time, and once this background process get completed, we will see how we can create the test case here. Okay, so for Selenium, we need a Chrome. For each browser, there is a driver available for in Selenium. So instead of downloading the Chrome driver file here, for let's say for Chrome driver.exe, for Firefox it is Gecko driver.exe. So there is one dependency available in Maven repository, so that also we can install. So I'll go here, I will type here WebDriver manager and click on search. So here we should see the list. Let me delete this one, WebDriver manager, and click on search. So you can see we got this dependency. Okay, so we will install okay, there are 2 dependencies are there, so we need only one. Okay, so from these 2 we have to download the first one, which is like github dot Boni Garcia. So this is the one which we need. So I'll click on this first one, io.github one, and we will copy the tag. Let's say I want to use the latest one. So click on this version. Here we got the Maven dependency tag. Copy it and add it in your form.xml file. And to format this file, there is a shortcut in IntelliJ. You need to select this Control A and then Control Alt L. So this will format your file, so indentation and everything. Okay, so that's it about this video. So in this video we have downloaded the IntelliJ, we have installed the required plugins for Selenium, and we have added the dependencies also. So in another video we will see how to write the script and run it. Thank you.